The workshop was really about the profound impact that technology's had on media over the last 30 years, tracing it all the way through laptops, through to smartphones, and then really focusing on what I believe is the next big wave of innovation, which is virtual reality and augmented reality. We created some great experiences, particularly around training. So one of the things we've showed here is what's it like to be a crane inspector working at 300 feet in the sky. And it's amazing to see people go through that experience and they really feel that they're at the top of a crane looking for faults while they're actually standing right next on the ground to you. And the brain is really tricked by the technology to believing that you're somewhere that you're not. We had some great reactions. So we've had people who are really frightened of heights and are just shaking. We've had people who just like to edge out along the plank to rescue the cat. And then there are people who are really, really comfortable with it and kind of dance along and pick it up. I thought it was a great reception, really engaged, some very intelligent questions, lots of follow-up afterwards. So I feel that we really got a message across about the importance of the technology. And I think people's eyes were open to what the potential is by using this amazing new VR and AR techniques.